that we have postponed elections in Embu. The elections are going on. They will go on. It doesn't matter one or two people who are suffering election fever and they are scared of the results. We have said these elections will go on. It's for the good of our country. It's good for our democracy. It's good for our constitution that these elections go on. Number two, I want to say I have the authority of the National Elections Board, having been requested to come here, to tell all our aspirants, anyone who will be caught to participate in any kind of violence will be disqualified without any hesitation by the National Elections Board. And I want to thank the media for covering these elections. And you've assisted us. Even yesterday, your media coverage yesterday has helped us to appreciate the people who are at the scene, people who are burning materials and so forth. And in the fullness of time, all of them will be brought to justice. We'll make sure that the Director of Criminal Investigation, the Director of Public Prosecution, assist of all these situations and the people, and they are brought to justice. Because we must ensure that our democracy keep growing, not retrogressing back to primitive times where elections and leaders are elected by virtue or are appointed by virtue of a violence. We will not accept and will not tolerate that. They cannot summon the aspirants without having what we call prima facie evidence. I believe that as a result of that process, we are going to find truth and justice in this process. Santeni.